Hi, welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name's Harry, one of the sales executives here. I'm going to show you around our brand new, unregistered, ready for immediate delivery Tiguan SE Nav. This is a 1.4 TSF SI engine with the 4Motion also. It comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels, finished in the pure white paint. Makes it stand out a little bit better, as well as the rear privacy glass. And part of the SE navigation, you do have front and rear sensors, adaptive cruise control, daytime running lights, and you have the 4Motion badge at the back to indicate that it is the four-wheel drive. Stepping inside of the vehicle, you have the multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel with the adaptive cruise control on the left hand side, just to make it a little bit more easier to control. You have the cloth interior with a checkered pattern. With it being a brand new car, it has only done 6 miles. On the infotainment screen you have DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, App Connect. You have your dual climate control, your 6-speed DSG box with the 4Motion toggle as well. So with that you can drive it from road to snow to off-road and off-road individual, as well as your different modes as well, but when you're in the road conditions. So you can transform that from eco to sport, and you can have it in normal as well. Just in front of the DSG lever you do have two adapters there, so you've got USB cables and an aux cable, as well as your 12-volt. Part of the SE navigation and having the adaptive cruise, you do have the lane assist. So on the indicator stalk there, just on the button, just to press that and it will indicate lane assist. You also have the chance to use the flappy paddle gearboxes in this one, so if you want to be a little bit more sporty and drop it down a couple of gears, you can use them. So it's got paddle shifts as well. As I said, the vehicle has only done 6 miles. It also comes with auto headlights, folding wing mirrors and all-round electric windows. So for more information on the Tiguan, please pick up the phone and ask myself, Harry, and I'll be able to give you some more information and a tailored finance quote for yourself. Many thanks for watching.